Welcome, guys. And we have the car of the day. This is our friend Johnny. He brought us another truck. This is his 2017 Sierra. And he's the kind of person that likes to enhance his vehicles. He put those beautiful wheels for his truck with kind of special design tires. I don't know what they are. Seems like a muddy tire, something like that. I have no idea. He added the big screen into his dashboard. And obviously, because he has cloth, which is horrible, he's gonna switch to leather. And he's gonna get a black wrap, guys, with perforations and a contrast stitch, which is silver, to enhance the appearance of the stitch and also match the steering wheel and the door panels. Actually has it also in the dashboard, so it's gonna be a beautiful transformation, guys. What else he did this time? Grill. He replaced the grill, and let me show you what we're gonna be putting in this vehicle, guys. So this is gonna be the interior. And again, it's a black wrap, perforation inserts, and contrast stitch in silver, guys. And these guys will fit the 2016 to 2019, the crew cab, the 1500 work truck, the SLE, the SLT, the Denali, and guys, the 2500, 3500 are included. And we have these interiors available for virtually any vehicle, over 60 different colors and less combinations at LEATHERTECK.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. And I know it looks like crap right now, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this transformation is going to be. And again, guys, don't miss out the opportunity to save hundreds of dollars in your next order. Go to LEATHERTECK.com and fill out the quick form right there so you can be saving hundreds of dollars for your next purchase. And whatever that you need, door panels, custom work, the console, anything, guys, we can do it right here at EM Upholstery Technology. And again, for leather interiors, LEATHERTECK.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. You want to take it to the next level, guys? 3 levels of heating, 3 levels of cooling in one single little switch. If you are in a budget, at least get your seat heaters, guys, so you're always cozy in your ride, so you don't gonna get shivery in your ride in winter. Like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations and techniques and how we do your beautiful leather seats at LEATHERTECK.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. Thank you for watching. Look forward for those before and after pictures and videos so you can see these beautiful transformations. And if you have any questions or recommendations, please put it in the comments, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.